into myself. What a wonderful world. Hello, it is Nikki. Welcome back to my channel. Today we have a nail haul for you. I have a nail haul. Hello. I just had a little flashback of PJ doing the impression video. That was hilarious. Yeah. But these first two packages I got from Amazon, and this is a cordless resin mixer. It's free, so that would definitely come in handy. Gives you the instructions. I read this a little later. Definitely got to read instructions. I don't know what I'm doing when it comes to this one. Dang. So what all it comes with? This looks like the hand piece. This bag is little. And I like that it is what do you call it? Rechargeable. I couldn't think of it. And it is the C charger. So you got that over here. And then over here, ooh. So these are plastic, which means I definitely have to clean these. I like how big it is. I don't think it's gonna fit in the cups that I got. Oh, this one might. So I got two big ones and two small ones. This is the holder, I'm assuming, for this. Yep. Oh, I like that it comes with a silicone mat. So in case you have a little droppings. Now that's thinking. And then the stain. It comes with this. Oh, to screw this in. Okay, so that's everything. Okay, I can't wait to test this out. I would have told you what came in the box in the back. I ain't have to open it. Oh well. Now you see what I see. Screen. But it's this. Let me zoom out so you can see. It's this Resinator, and this is a bubble-free machine. That's the furthest I can zoom out. So you can see what it is. I ain't got no more zoom. That's the zoom he's gonna get. You put the resin in here after mixing it, and it's supposed to take all the bubbles out. Ooh, this big. I ain't gonna be able to show this on camera. I'm gonna have to set this up in my room. It's huge. I ain't gonna be able to show this on my desk. Not on my nail desk anyway. I'll probably take it out when I go in my resting room. This is huge. I didn't think it was gonna be that big. It don't look that big in people's videos. That's huge. I also have this Amazon package, and I know what this is. Alright, so this is the Magic Markers Magic Gloss. All purpose is waterproof. Pretty much is a craft glue. What had happened was I had one, and for some reason I don't know if the top wasn't completely closed or what, but it spilled and it wasted on everywhere. When I tell you it wasted everywhere, and I didn't realize it wasted. So by the time I noticed it, it was already dried. So my brand new flows that I just did in my craft room had glue all over it, and the entire bottle gone. So I had to replace it. And typically one bottle costs $19.99. So one bottle typically after tax be $21, and they had a sale for 3 for $26. So you can't beat that. So definitely went ahead and got the 3. I was so mad. Luckily, my daddy was able to get the glue off the floor, because if not, I would have cried. I just put them floors down. Next package is from TEMU. Now, I done had this a while, so I'm not quite sure what it is, but I'm looking in here and it looks like business. Well, okay, here we go. We're gonna go one at a time. All right, first things first. Well, hair clips. Got some hair clips. Oh, these are cute. They're sturdy plastic, so it's not flimsy. Got a nice hold to it, and it's a 4-pack. Nice fall colors. These are some earring or necklace holders. It comes with the backing in the bag that they go in. And then you got, I think it's 50 of each color, if I'm not mistaken. I'm not gonna count it, but I think that's what the description says. And then you got the bag to close it. So lace there. What else I got in this bag? Ooh, stickers. All right, let's go. Oh, these look like the Disney stickers. I think these are sold out. I think I went back to get some more and I couldn't find it no more. But I'll leave a link if they still left. So we got Mickey and Minnie Mouse. We got Winnie the Pooh. Winnie the Pooh. Got Donald Duck. Come on. And then we got one with just Minnie Mouse. Got those 3. Hopefully they still in stock. But I think I went back to look for it and they weren't there, and I was mad because I should have got all of them when I saw them. But I didn't, so that's what I get for being hard-headed. This is a jewelry mold. But what I like about this one is that it has a holographic background. You can make earrings, necklace, bigger earrings. These 2, I mean, all of these are technically earrings, but if you didn't want to wear bigger earrings, you could actually turn that into a matching necklace. That would be cool. And then I got the circle as well, and it has the holographic background as well. So when you're not quite sure what you done bought, what is? I don't know what this is. I think I know. Oh, I think I know. I know. It don't look like what I. Oh yes, it do. There you can see it. The hollow. This is insert. And so if let's say I was doing a resin piece, if I put this on top of it with the holographic facing down, that print then transfers to the resin piece. So that's what these is. And I got them in different shapes. So that's a square. So 2 squares, 2 circles. Oh, 3 and 3. So 3 squares, 3 circles. And I believe, if I'm not mistaken, the design are different. I don't want to open all of them, but or maybe they're the same. Who knows? Oh, they're different because that has that pattern. Now I want to see all of them. I don't see nothing on this one. Oh, there you go. I don't know if it's picking it up on camera, but it's still, I had to tilt it a certain way. So it's kind of hard to pick up on camera, but just know it's 3 and 3, and each one has a different design. just know that. Oh, so that's that one. This one is, I'm already don't like in the feel of this one. There's some earrings. Mix of gold and silver. I don't know what it is about fashion jewelry gold. It just don't. It just don't speak to me. I actually don't like gold, period. When I buy jewelry, it's always silver. But if the fashion jewelry be like, girl, sit down somewhere. What is? I can't think of it. Oh, the little toothpaste squeezy things. And it came with two. I was gonna use one for, I bought it for polygel, but it's designed to get like the last little bit of the toothpaste out of the tube. And because I got a few of my polygels that's almost empty, but it's something still in there, I said, let me get some of these and see if I can get it out. If not, I'm gonna cut it out and put it in a different bottle because I'm gonna get all my polygel out. All right, so that was that first package. Then I got these to mix resin as well. I just thought this down here was a little cute. Gonna get it mixed. However, that might be a little hard to clean. But we'll see. It's definitely not gonna go for my new device, but it goes for my old one. So I'm gonna keep it because I still have the device. So I'm gonna keep that one. I might send the other ones, but I don't know. Then I got some hydro flowers, but I absolutely love the color combination that's going on with this one. You see it? Because I see it. Do you? Super cute. And then I got these. But for the life of me at this point, I don't know why I got them. It's 4 in here. What happens when you have an idea and then the package comes and you done forgot what you bought it for? Clearly I bought it for a reason because it's 4. But I'm not quite sure what their reason is at the moment. So it's a 26 grid. Why could I have bought this? I don't know. Okay, so I don't know. So the last thing that was in this box is 2. So it was in this package. It's the earring mold. What it say? 20-piece white. 20-piece white. I have the slightest clue what this is. Ow. Oh. The backgrounds for, why was this in the same bag though? I don't know. Maybe I bought it at the same time. Who knows? Yeah, ain't got nothing to do with resin. These the backing for the stamping plates. So unlike the ones I got from, where I got the other ones from. Come to me, AliExpress. So just unlike the other ones I got from AliExpress, which were these, which they actually like the same thing. I get this pack, and I got this pack from TEMU. I got this pack from AliExpress. They was pretty much about the same price, and they look like they the same material. Yep, they're hard material. So, you get more at TEMU. Just say that. It came in a pack of 20, so I have 40. Because I have a lot of plates that don't have backings. So It's the exact same material that I got from AliExpress. So I'm going to stick with TEMU on these because I get more. The only thing I can't find is the small ones on TEMU. I wish I could, especially if I'm getting easily 10 more than what I got on Amazon. So I'm pretty sure that's what's in here. Oh, and then this. So that was in there. So that is everything that is my Amazon and TEMU package. Again, I will leave links to anything I can still find. Unfortunately, I had this package for a few weeks now, and I don't know, not a few weeks, like 2 weeks, and I don't know when this video gonna come out. So hopefully, cross fingers, let's pray, by the time I release this video and get the links, that everything is still in stock. If not, I will either try to find similar links, and I always put it in parentheses if it's not the exact same link. If it's similar, I always put it so you know it's not the same one, but it's similar for that reason. But hopefully everything's still available. It will be. We're going to speak it into existence. If you've made it this far in the video, I truly, truly, truly appreciate it. If you're new here and you're not subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Also hit that notification bell so you're notified every time I upload a video. To my returning subscribers, thank you so, so much for your continued support. I truly, truly, truly appreciate it. Until the next time, bye-bye. What a wonderful world.